Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. I actually had no plan to vlog this week. I didn't know what I'm gonna vlog. There was nothing interesting happening this week. It was quite a boring week. Boring, but not boring, but yeah, there was nothing much happening. So I'm like, why vlog? There was an event that I went to, but that was also I was barely there for any time, so there was no point vlogging that. And today in fact I woke up thinking that the Kalagoda festival is going on, and why don't I go there and maybe just vlog a little, walk around there and see what all is happening, because I used to go a lot to the Kalagoda festival. Then I stopped. Last year I did not go, and I think since 2 years I've not gone because it started getting really crowded. And yeah, so I thought I don't want to go. But today I thought it's a weekday and maybe going in the evening around 4 o'clock or something, it won't be that crowded. So I'm going to go with Sahil and we're going to see if there's anything nice there, or is the hype still there, because early on Kalagoda festival used to be amazing. It used to be so pretty and so many good things used to happen there, but now it just gets crowded. And yeah, also before, I just remembered that last week I went to IKEA and I went with my family and I bought some stuff here and there. Wait, the noise is so much better, the light. Okay, yeah. So last week I went to IKEA with my family and I bought some random stuff and just regular basic house stuff, and I'm gonna show you right now before I leave for Kalagoda festival. First, so I got this blue towel because I needed one. My current one is literally so overused and it's literally done. I needed a new one so badly, and I bought this blue color one. I love the color. I didn't want to go for a very girly color this time. My current one is purple and this is so nice. I love this color, so I got this blanket. This is the comforter and you add a cover on this. So for that I got this light blue colored one. So you can see I'm going for the blue theme. Yeah, so I got this light blue colored one. I love this powder blue color. It's so pretty. So this can go over the this has to go on this, the comforter, and then you can use it as a blanket. A bed sheet. So I got a basic beige colored bed sheet, and then with the blue comforter. I think it looks super cute. This is just basic, by the way. 2 cute napkins for my bathroom. Then I bought this hand wash. What is it called? Hand wash. What is it called, bro? Hand wash something. You understood, right? What is this? Yeah. This. So you know, this is like a frother. I'm sure you all have seen it everywhere, and you can use it to make your coffee. You can hear the sound, yeah. Coffee or anything. You can just froth anything with it. I think this will be really helpful. If I want to make a really foamy matcha or something, let me know. I think I'll show you all how I use this to make matcha. Not the whisk, not as a whisk, but as a frother. This. So basically this is it has compartments here this, and you just put this entire thing in your drawer. You open your drawer, you empty it, and you put this thing, and you can put all your accessories over here. So it's so easily accessible for you and visible. You can see everything, whatever is there. You don't need to put different pouches and all. Everything you can just put in this, and this will just come out from your drawer. 2 of these. This is just everyday necessities, but I think this is the coolest. I wanted this in so long, but I never really ordered it. I was I'll order. Oh yeah, one more last thing I bought. Wait. Yeah, so I got these 2 cute silicone ice makers. Look at it, and it has a covering also, so that makes it very easy, and it's so easy to remove ice out of this. Sometimes the ice just doesn't come out. It takes so long to remove it. I already have ice in it, that's why I had to get it from the fridge, but it just makes the whole process so easy, and I love the shape. It's a nice big ice can be made of this. Helpful, because every day when I have my matcha and sometimes the ice is over and I'm oh my god, what do I do? Now I have this just for my matcha, so no one else can use it. Yeah, no, I'm just kidding, everyone can use it, but yeah, this is the last thing I got. I am like getting ready, and this is the top I've worn. I have never really worn a top like this, but I think it's like so pretty, and like it's so like easy breezy. It feels very comfortable. I've had this in my closet for so long, but I never got to wear it, and it's very different from my style, but I think with the jeans it's looking like very cute. I quite like it. The top is growing on me, I would say. I am ready. I added these little bangles and these silver hoops. I think they really go with the Indo-Western vibe. I am liking this outfit. I didn't expect myself to like it, but I like how it's turned out. And now we're gonna leave. We have reached out here and it is crowded. I was right about my assumption. I knew it's gonna be crowded, but I don't know. We'll go inside and see if actually is it crowded inside also. But it is quite crowded.
Crazy.
We are outside right now, and now we're gonna go inside. This is the outside, and we are about to enter from these gates. I came out of the security checking thing and I already can't find Sahil. Where has he disappeared? Yeah, so the update is I am waiting here and Sahil is somewhere there in the line. Apparently they told him to scan something, like they didn't tell me that, and I just entered. So he's out there doing something. I'm going to tell you all what it was, but like I don't think you need an entry. It's like literally free. You can enter for free. So I don't know what did they tell him to scan outside, but okay. So actually we had to buy passes, but they are for free. Like it's kind of stupid. I don't understand. Okay, now let's go. We are entering. Oh, bhai. Yeah. This is how it is. It's quite lively and there are many people and the stalls look good. I would suggest if y'all are coming, don't come on the weekend. Y'all will literally be like, there won't be any space for you to vlog. So you better come on a weekday, and that too like in the afternoon. This stall here, and I'm gonna get myself a peach iced tea and gonna taste it for you guys. You're not getting anything?
No, not right now.
Then what?
Oh, it's good lighting here.
Yeah. They also have a hot matcha tea, but I am unsure of how this will be, so not gonna risk it because I don't like hot matcha. I like cold. Like matcha, cold is best. Taste. Good.
Sorry.
People are lining up to take a mirror selfie. I just bought this and they have a whole Mogu Mogu stall. Like Mogu Mogu is my favorite drink. Now I can't. But why will I have Mogu Mogu here?
वो भी है.
Blue Mogu Mogu.
Oh, buy it for home.
Blue and green.
Blue and green.
We have already taken a turn to the other side. Honestly, it's quite mid this time.
Yeah.
There's nothing interesting. Guys, I found this brand and this is literally the brand. Like I own a robe from them. Like can you see that robe out there? I literally have the same one in yellow and green, and I think it's the same brand if I'm not wrong. Yeah, they have this literally the similar robes. Or maybe every brand in Rajasthan looks like this, I don't know, but if I'm like most probably I think it's this one only.
भूख लगा पता नहीं है कि नहीं लगा है.
There's literally a horse, but it's a head of a woman.
There's a scissor also.
Half and whole. What does that mean? Read it.
This kanchi.
Shut up.
It's
I know
clearly
what
written.
Sahil is going to say that do not touch was written, and I touched.
Clearly written
He
in.
did it.
It was a kanchi. I didn't even went
You
near.
think I'll do it?
It was clearly written. Do not touch, and kanchi is touching and showing है वहाँ पे zip है, वहाँ पे zip है. So smart.
All comment down below. Who did you think actually did it?
Liar. Such a manipulator. Such a man. Kanchi, did I went near also?
Like this. See your zips are there.
You touched. You touched. Kanchi is so dumb. ब्रश करते करते खून आने लग गया मुंह में से.
अरे because of my wisdom tooth, I have a wisdom tooth right here and it's like touching with my gums and skin and I can't eat because of that, and the toothbrush went in and it hurt and it started bleeding and then I had to go to the dentist, so I had quite an eventful morning and I might have to take out my wisdom tooth, so should I vlog it? Yeah. Guys, we have left from here. Honestly, it was quite mid. Like, if you wanna go, then go, but don't go on the weekend. It's gonna be useless. But even if you miss it, I'm sure you're not missing out on anything else because all these brands are there on Instagram and all now. So
क्या है तू चर्चगेट चे?
yeah, and now we're just gonna go figure something, do maybe eat something. Hi, you guys. This is the next day, and bro, it's been an eventful morning. I couldn't vlog at all because I couldn't sleep only. I had the worst stomach ache. Like, I don't know why my stomach was paining at night. I barely got sleep. When I woke up, my stomach was still paining. Then I went to the doctor. I got some meds and all. It's not something serious, but yeah, my stomach was paining a lot and it still is paining a little, but I'm just like, I have the medicines to deal with it now. But now today I am actually going for the first time to watch a proper football match, like literally a proper one, like ISL. Sahil is going for the Mumbai City FC match and he is taking me with me. Like, I have never seen a proper football match, so I am gonna go for that. I'm actually excited. I don't even know what to wear, but the colors are blue, so maybe I'll wear something blue only. And yeah, I'm gonna vlog it for you all. I'm gonna take you all there and see what all happens. Actually, I even had to edit this vlog today itself because tomorrow is Saturday and this vlog has to go up, but I haven't been able to do that because of my stomach. Maybe I'll just get to it right now and do a little, but I barely have any time. It's like 5 PM and I have to leave by 7. Hi guys.
Aditya શું ખાય છે?
Stop it.
No, you have to say.
We are on the way for the match and I had to get ready in a rush because of some stuff, and this denim vest with like black pants. I didn't have anything else, and I know I look like I've cried. That is because I have, but let's ignore that. This is what Sahil is wearing. He's actually wearing the jersey, and do you think they'll give me one?
They should.
I want one.
They should.
We are getting so late. There is so much traffic, like so much that nothing can be done about it. We just have to be late. And my makeup is off because I was busy crying. Don't worry guys, there's no problem. Now I am fine, as I should be and as I will be. We have parked the car and we are walking towards the stadium.
हाँ भाई, मैं बस चल के आ रहा हूँ भाई. इतना ट्रैफिक है, इतना ट्रैफिक है.
Guys, I am walking so fast. Sahil's 1 foot and my 2 feet. We are entering. It's my first time going for a proper football match. I mean, I've seen, but not the proper one. And now. And we got these cool things.
You have to give it back. I'm not gonna keep.
Bro, it's so cool. The match is literally 0-0.
इधर जा रहा हूँ. उस साइड पे VIP पर.
We are going to the VIP section now. It was so cool, bro. Like the vibe and all.
Enjoyed.
People were singing and playing drums and all. But it was a draw, sadly.
I mean, still 2-3 minutes.
Yeah, still 2-3 minutes are left. But this is the view from the VIP section. Okay, it's too cool. But the match is over, sadly.
Yeah.
We should have come here before. Why didn't we?
But we came now, so you get a good proper pictures and all you can take.
Guys, when Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt came here with Raha for the match, this is where they came and they were literally sitting somewhere here. I mean, they are not here today, but I wish they were. Will they come next time, Sahil? Then I'll come.
I think they'll come for the Mohan Bagan match.
Then I will come again.
Oh yeah.
We are having limonata and seeing what is up. Bro, is that momos?
Water chestnut.
I can't have my stomach. Too many stomach issues. I can't eat any of this and the food looks really good. Hi guys, this is the next day and last night we came home pretty late because we had to go for a friend's birthday. But yeah, I had so much fun at the football match. It was a first for me and I think I'm gonna go for more ones with Sahil. He will take me for sure. But yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I was not even gonna make a vlog this week because so much is happening and because I fell ill because of my stomach. My stomach is still paining, by the way. I have meds though, they fixed that. But my tooth, my wisdom tooth is hurting so badly. I think I might have to remove it extremely soon and maybe I'll just vlog it. I don't know, but it'll be super painful and I'm super scared for that. Let's hope that that goes nicely. But that's why I just filmed whatever I could and I am editing this right now, literally right now. But yeah, I didn't want to miss a week, so I'm like, whatever it is, at least I'll post a vlog. So yeah, and that being said, I will see you next week. It's gonna be super fun. I think I have quite a few fun things happening next week, so the vlog will be really happening. And yeah, take care, bye.